Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now click on those three dots on the brightness slider and click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it off or on. In order to save your changes, click on Done at the bottom. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Then tap on this switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!